My name is Anup Kumar Dutta. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the new series of educational videos on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 10 from the exercise 10.2 of your book under the chapter Circles NCERT Mathematics. Now let us see what the question says. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments joining the points of contact at the center. So to prove this, we must have these pre-knowledges first. Number 1, the two radii drawn from a circle at the points of contact to the two tangents drawn from an external point to that circle are perpendicular to the two tangents. Number 2, the sum of all the four interior angles of a quadrilateral are equal to 360 degree. So to be very clear, let us draw the diagram first. I will discuss and write at the same time after the drawing having been drawn. So let us discuss and write at the same time. So to do this sum, let us proceed in this way. Write in this way. Let AP and AQ are the two tangents drawn from the AP and AQ are the two tangents drawn from the external point A, this one, drawn from the external point A, this one, to the circle with the center at O, this one, with the center at O at the points of contact P and Q respectively. After this, write in this way. The line segments OP, this one, OP, this one, and OQ, and OQ are drawn. So at last we have got the two supplementary angles which we have to prove, PAQ and QOP respectively. These two angles PAQ and QOP, which we have got now after having been drawn the diagram, we have to prove that these two angles are supplementary to each other. That means the measures of the two angles are, sum of the measures of these two angles are equal to 180 degree. So proceed in this way. We have to prove that measure of the angle PAQ plus measure of the angle QOP is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle PAQ and angle QOP are supplementary to each other, which we have to prove. So let us proceed in this way. Write in this way. Here measure of the angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. Write within bracket OPA is equal to 90 degree. Write within bracket AP tangent P point of contact OP is the radius. Similarly, write similarly measure of the angle AQO is equal to 90 degree. Write within bracket AQ tangent Q point of contact P point of contact OQ is the radius. After this, proceed in this way. Write in this way. Now in the quadrilateral PAQO measure of the angle OPA plus measure of the angle PAQ, measure of the angle PAQ plus measure of the angle AQO, measure of the angle AQO plus measure of the angle QOP plus measure of the angle QOP are equal to 360 degree. Write within bracket angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle sum property of quadrilateral. That again implies measure of the angle OPA, measure of the angle OPA, measure of the angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. So in place of measure of the angle OPA, we will write now 90 degree plus measure of the angle PAQ, measure of the angle PAQ plus measure of the angle AQO, measure of the angle AQO is equal to 90 degree. So we will write now 90 degree here in place of AQO, in place of AQO plus measure of the angle QOP, this one QOP plus measure of the angle QOP is equal to 360 degree. That again implies measure of the angle PAQ plus measure of the angle QOP is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. 90 degree, this 90 degree plus this 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree. If we transpose the additional product to the right hand side, we will get minus 180 degree, which is again equal to 180 degree. At last we have got measure of the angle PAQ plus measure of the angle QOP to be equal to 180 degree. That is angle PAQ and angle QOP are supplementary to each other. Proved. So this is all for today. Why not? Of course, I will expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments and subscriptions. Thank you.